Greetings, I'm Dev the developer.
And I'm Glitch.
We've colored our backgrounds with solid colors, but CSS can do much more. Today, we're looking at the environment layer of your elements, how to use images, patterns, and positioning to give your designs depth and texture. Every element has a background layer. It sits behind the content and the padding, but inside the border. Glitch, let's set up a hero section.
A hero section, the primary command center of the page. I'll make it large and imposing.
Now, let's give it a background color and a height.
Switching to styles, I'll set a height and a starting background color. Solid dark blue, functional, efficient, but perhaps a bit empty. It needs a visual signature.
Let's add an image. Use background image property. We'll use a placeholder for now.
I'll add the background image URL to the hero section. Wait, why is it repeating? It looks like a corrupted video buffer. The same image over and over. It's cluttered, Dev. My circuits don't like it.
By default, background images repeat both ways. We can change that with background repeat.
I'll set repeat to no repeat to stabilize the feed. Better, now there's just one image, but it doesn't fill the space. It's just sitting in the top left corner, lonely and inefficient.
We can control the size with background size. Cover is the most popular value for heroes. It forces the image to fill the entire box.
Background size cover, deployment initiated. Total coverage, no gaps in the perimeter. I like this, but the image shifted. It's cropping from the bottom.
We use background position to center it.
Centering the background image now. Balanced, symmetrical, correct. Now, what if I want the image to stay fixed while the while the user scrolls?
That's background attachment fixed. It creates a cool parallax effect where the content scrolls over the image.
Background attachment fixed, stabilizing the environment. Immobile, steady, unyielding. I respect a background that doesn't move just because the viewport does, but this is a lot of properties, Dev.
Just like borders, we have a shorthand, background.
One line to rule the environment. I'll compress everything down. Efficiency restored, though I noticed background size is still on its own line.
The shorthand syntax for background size is a bit tricky, so most developers keep it on a separate line for clarity. It's a good habit.
Clarity is essential for operational success. I'll allow it.
Find a cool background image and try to position it. Try repeat X with a small icon to create a border. Experiment with fixed versus scroll. See how the background changes the atmosphere of your page. Don't just watch it. Do it.